Lesson number 6. Adding financial instruments. If you have deleted some financial instruments while working or trading, I will now leave only currencies and show you how to add tools to the currency list. If you have a list and you have deleted financial instruments from it, or you know that the broker has another financial instrument that you need and you want to add it, use the special ticket field at the bottom of the window. If you point your mouse over it, a hint will appear: add or find a financial instrument. I will now raise the EURUSD pair to the very top and delete it. That's it. It's not on the list anymore. Now I want it back. I entered the name of the financial instrument, EURUSD, in the ticket field and click the Add button. The financial instrument is found, so it is placed at the end of the watch list. If you have a large list of financial instruments and you need to find a certain instrument quickly, you just enter its name in the ticket field, for example CHFJPY, and click Find. Watch list quickly moves the cursor to the tool you're looking for. So if you want to add a tool, but it's already in the list, then watch list will just move you to the tool you need. If the tool is not in the list, the program checks whether the broker has it. If there is a financial instrument, it is added. If the broker does not have the tool, you will receive an error message.